morning student. How are you? Hope all of you are fine. This one is the last portion of this chapter exercise. Page number 158. So everyone open your book, page number 158. You have to solve the problems based on capacity. Now I am going to solve question number 1. Number 1. Convert into milliliter. Here is written 11 liter 722 milliliter. You have to convert this one into milliliter. 11 liter 722 milliliter equal 11 liter means 11,000. 11,000 milliliter plus 722 milliliter equal 11,722 milliliter. Now number 2. Convert into liter and milliliter. 3,296 milliliter. You have to convert this one into liter and milliliter. This one is the more than 1,000, so you have to express into liter and milliliter. 23,000 milliliter plus 296 ml equal 23 liter 296 ml. Now number 3, add 37 liter 162 ml, 44 liter 149 ml and 20 liter 526 ml. Now add the number. Liter ml. 37 liter 162 ml. 44 liter 149 ml. 20 liter 526 ml. Now add the all numbers. 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 6 17, 1 is in your hand. 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 2 12 plus 1 13, again 1 is in your hand. 1 plus 1 2, 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 8, 7 plus 4 11, 1 is in your hand. 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 1 10. So your answer is 101 liter 837 milliliter. Now number 4. Subtraction. Subtract 24 liter 342 ml from sum of 14 liter 344 ml and 22 liter 316 ml. So you have to add these two numbers. First you have to add these two numbers. Then subtract the first number from your result. Okay. Now 14 liter 344 ml. 22 liter 316 ml. Add the number. 6 plus 4 10, 1 is in your hand. 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, 3 plus 3 6. 4 plus 2 6, 2 plus 1 3. Now subtract 24 liter 342 ml. 24 liter 342 ml. 10, 8, 4 plus 1 5, 6, 1, 6 minus 3 3, 6 minus 4 2, 3 minus 2 1. So your answer is 12 liter 380 milliliter. Number 5. Multiply the sum of 3 liter 234 ml and 7 liter 314 ml by 20. I want everyone do this one by yourself. First you add the numbers 3 liter 234 plus 7 liter 314. Okay. After you will multiply your answer by 20. Very easy. Number 6. Divide the sum of 42 liter 226 ml and 51 liter 240 ml by 17. Now I am going to solve this one for you. First, the same way you will add the numbers. Liter, ml. Add this one. 42 liter 226 ml, 51 liter 240 ml. Now add the numbers. 6 plus 0 6, 2 plus 4 6, 2 plus 2 4, 2 plus 1 3, 4 plus 5 9. Therefore 93 liter 466 ml. You have to convert this one into liter. 93,093 into 1,093,000 ml plus 466 ml equal 93,466 ml. Now you divide this number by 70. 93,466 divided by 70. 17 into 5, 85. 13, 8, 8 into 1, 990, 4. 17 into 4, 68. 14, 6, 7, 8 minus 7, 1, 16. 166. 7 into 9, 153. 6 minus 3, 3. 6 minus 5, 1. 136. 17 into 8, 136. Your answer is 5,498 ml equal. This is more than 1000. So 5,000 ml plus 498 ml equal 5 liter 498 ml. The answer is 5 liter 498 ml. Number 7. A container has 22 liter 250 ml of paint. Another container has 35 liter 750 ml of paint. Both containers are emptied into a larger empty container. How much paint does the large container hold now? So, first you have to add these two numbers. Okay. So, you have to write the statement number 7. The capacity of one container of a container is capacity of container equal 22 liter 250 ml. The capacity of another container, the capacity of another container equal 35 liter 750 ml. Now you have to add these two numbers to find out your answer. How much paint does the large container hold now? Large container hold equal 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 5 10, 1 is in your hand, 7 plus 2 9 plus 1 10, again 1 is in your hand, 2 plus 5 7 plus 1 8, take 3 plus 2 5. Okay, 58 liter 58 liter. Fourth answer, the large container holds 58 liter of paint. Now, a container had number A. A container had 55 liter 350 ml of milk. If 22 liter 350 ml of milk was used up, then how much milk is left in the container now? How much milk is left? For finding out the answer, you have to subtract the numbers. I want everyone try to do this. Okay? And you will do this one in your maths copy. Number 9. A container has 5 liter 250 ml of oil. What quantity of oil will 8 such containers contain? A container, the capacity of a container is 5 liter, number of container 8. So, what quantity of oil will add 8 such container? So, you have to multiply the number. Now, number 9. The quantity of oil in a container equal 5 liter 250. Numbers of containers equal 8. Therefore, total quantity of oil equal, you have to multiply this one to find out your answer. 8 into 0, 0, 8 into 5, 40, 0, 4 is in your hand, 8 into 16, 16 plus 4, 20. Again 0 is your hand, again you have to put 0 and 2 is in your hand. 8 into 5, 40, 40 plus 2, 42. So your answer will be 42 liter. Okay. So what quantity of oil will such container contain? 8 containers contain 42 liter of oil. In this way we will solve the what problem. Okay. Another one here is left. I want everyone try to solve this. Number 10. A vessel has 25 liter 500 ml of milk. It has equally distributed in 5 vessels. Equally distributed, for that you have to divide the numbers by 5. Okay. So everyone try to write the proper statement and try to solve this one. The last problem solving in the exercise. Okay. So take care. Thank you.